Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video series, we are going to give the TNPSC materials in English. As a part of it, this video consists of lessons earmarked for history. 10th Social Science, Volume 1, Social and Religious Reform Movements in the 19th Century. Come on, let us move on to the lessons. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He hailed from West Bengal. He opposed meaningless ceremonies and all forms of pernicious social customs. He advocated monotheism and anti-idolatry. He also argued that ancient Hindu religious texts preaches monotheism, that is, worship of one God. He advocated the rights of widows to remarry. He wanted to abolish polygamy. What is meant by polygamy? Marrying more than one woman. He even visited the Calcutta's crematorium to stop self-immolation, that is sati, a kind of practice which prevailed in the Indian society in the ancient days. When the husband dies, the wife also was required to die on the pyre of her husband. Abolition of sati. Raja Ram Mohan Rai strongly opposed the idea that women were inferior to men and supported the education for women. He also supported the introduction of English language and Western sciences. His campaign played a key role in the abolition of sati in 1829. Governor General William Bentinck passed the Act of Abolition of Sati. Brahma Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Rai founded Brahma Samaj in 1828. He condemned meaningless rites and ceremonies. He opened a temple without any image in Calcutta. It means he had opened a temple where we couldn't find any idols or images or photos of any deities, gods or goddesses. He failed to attract the people from the lower sections of society. Then comes Maharishi Debendranath Tagore. He also has hailed from West Bengal. After Raja Ram's death in 1833, Debendranath Tagore succeeded. He was a moderate reformer. His 4 articles on faith, they are: number 1, in the beginning there was nothing. The one supreme alone existed who created the universe. He alone is the God of truth, infinite wisdom, goodness, power, eternal and omnipresent, the one without second. Our salvation depends on belief in Him and His worship in this world and the next. Belief consists in loving Him and doing His will. These are the ideas which was given by this particular person. Next comes Keshav Chandra Sen. He also had hailed from West Bengal. Keshav Chandra Sen joined Brahma Samaj in 1857. He was greatly influenced by Christianity. In 1866, he left the Samaj. Thereafter, Debendranath's organization came to be known as Adi Brahma Samaj. When he, that is Debendranath Tagore, had his 14-year-old daughter married to an Indian prince, the opponents of child marriage left the Samaj. They started the Sadharan Samaj, in other words, Sadharan Samaj, which developed anti-Christian tendencies. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet together in the part 2 of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let them also get benefited out of this, as there are only a very few videos as far as English materials are concerned for TNPSC.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.